Well, good afternoon. Listen, it's Virginia here, Virginia Hall, owner, founder of Taxi Up Tax Services and more. Wanted to get up here and just let you guys know that officially today I have launched my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Coach V Tax and Business Talk. And this channel is specifically for tax tips, IRS updates, business formation, and structure guidance, entrepreneurship tips on training, tax preparation mentorship offered, Service Bureau and tax software insight, business and credit and funding strategies, business coaching services offered here, and to tell you more about how to become a virtual tax office and other just growing tips for your business, for your regular business and for the tax side. Okay. A lot of you may not know me. I've been in the corporate America world for about 24, 25 years. I've been in leadership, store management leadership for about 24 plus years. Back in 2020, I started my own tax office here in Georgia. Now I have two tax offices here in Georgia, one in Sandersville, Georgia, and one in Ranch, Georgia. And I want you guys to understand that being an entrepreneur is not for the weak. I wanted to say that first. Being an entrepreneur is not for the weak. If you don't have that strength about yourself and don't have that get up and go about yourself and don't have that drive and that energy to get up and show up when you know it's just on your shoulders to show up, then this may not be a talk or something that you may be interested in. But I just want to use my channel to actually grow my presence even more. And I want to also use my channel to educate you on a lot of things that a lot of people may not know when it comes down to taxes or business. Okay. So just look at my channel as being another form, another source of education to help you get to your next in business. Now I have, like I said, been I've been an entrepreneur myself for the last 5 plus years. I've worked as a leader in the different locations in the retail locations for about 24 plus years. So I have all of that experience under my belt, all the expertise and experience under my belt. A lot of you may not know, but a lot of you may have heard this saying, you can replace a person, but you can't replace a person's expertise. So at the end of the day, I'm that person, okay? And I value what I do. I love what I do. I put my heart in what I do. But I just wanted to get up here and just talk for a minute. I'm not gonna hold you long because this is my very, very first you know, presence on YouTube. So any mistakes, take it out of love. I'm new at this, but I'm definitely true to what I do. So just don't any mistakes, like I said, judge my head and not my heart. Okay. A lot of you that, like I said, a lot of you may not know, but I'm just gonna read a little script that I wrote for myself. It said, "Hey everyone, it's Virginia Hall, founder of Taxi Up Tax Services and More (LLC). I am out here to help entrepreneurs and tax professionals win in all 50 states. Today, I am giving you a couple of tips on how to start a business and just get you to where you can get started in what you want to get done in your business. Okay, so let's get to it. Tip one, start with structure. Before anything else, make sure your business is legally structured. Choose your entity, LLC, sole proprietor, corporation, or and make sure that it's registered with your state. A solid foundation protects you, position you for growth from day one. Tip two, get your EIN business bank account. Once your business is registered, get your EIN number from the IRS. It's free. And then open a business checking account so you can keep your personal and business finances separate so you do not commingle your finances. This will help you with tax funding and credibility. Okay. Tip three, build your online presence. Make sure customers can find you, set up your Google business profile, create your social media pages, and optimize your website in today's world. Visibility equals income. Just make sure that, a lot of times, a lot of people say, well, I don't know this person. I don't have any reviews on this person. Make sure that you start out with where you can be verified. Okay. People like verifiable people. People like to know you, trust you, and they like you. They got to like, know, and trust you. Those are my three things. If they don't like you, they're not going to deal with you. If they don't know you, they're going to be skeptical about giving you information for their personal information for you to help them. And then lastly, and trust you. You got to build that trust. Okay. My very first year in business, I made about $80,000, but I already had a presence in the community where I started my business because I was a manager in the community. So that makes sense. That makes a huge difference when you're already a force in your community. And what I mean by force, that does not mean that you are a that you're dominating already. What that means is that people already see your presence in your community. Okay. But listen, Whether you're brand new or you're an established person, just make sure that you're authentic in what you're doing. All right, listen, that's all I got for you today. Again, go like, share, comment. Again, my YouTube channel name is Coach V Tax and Business Talk. Hope to see you, talk to you, or even serve you soon. Take care. Till next time.